This is one of a few videos dealing with annotations. Annotations are labels used to mark non-speech events. In Loft 2.0, we have the following annotations available: noise, applause, DTMF, laughter, ringtone, unknown label, and music. One very important thing to note is that annotations and speech can and should overlap. So, in this case, we hear speech here,
জানাবো চীনের অদ্ভুত কিছু জনপ্রিয় স্ট্রিট ফুডের কথা, যেগুলোর নাম
and we can hear that in the background there is some music.
এমনকি পতঙ্গের বিষটাও খায় চীনেরা। তবে আজ আমরা পাঠকদেরকে জানাবো চীনের
So, we would have to annotate this music using the music label. We would adjust the start time and the end time of this annotation. We will select music, and that's done. In this video, we will be talking about three types of annotations. One of them is the applause annotation. This is very straightforward. When we hear applause, we should create the applause annotation. Applause is a sound that sounds like this. The next annotation we'll be discussing is DTMF. DTMF stands for dial tone multi-frequency, and this is an annotation used to annotate the sound that we hear when we're talking on the phone and the person on the other side of the line dials a number. Here's how DTMF sounds. The next annotation we'll be talking about in this video is the ringtone annotation. The ringtone annotation is used to annotate the tone that you hear when waiting for your call to be answered. It is this sound. Keep in mind that when you hear a cell phone's ringtone, we do not use this annotation.